Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SiriusXM how to set channels. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and to follow the steps as well. Setting and saving channels on your SiriusXM radio is usually quick and easy, though the steps can vary slightly depending on your car or radio model. So in order to set favorite channels on SiriusXM in your car, first what you need to do is tune into the channel. Use the radio dial, arrow buttons or touch screen to tune into SiriusXM channel you want to save, example channel 56. Then press and hold a preset button. On most radios you'll have a row of numbered buttons like 1 to 6. Press and hold one of the preset buttons until you hear a beep or see the screen confirm that the station is saved. Now just press the preset button anytime to go straight to your favorite channel. Now if you're using it from your app, what you need to do is head over and open up your SiriusXM app. Then once there, tap on 3 horizontal bar on the top, then select channel guide. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is find the channel you want to favorite, then simply tap on it and you'll find the star icon or heart icon near the channel name to add it to your favorites. Once done, access your favorites later from the favorites section in the app and you'll find the selected channel. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.